Tacoma forums are broken, so I built the one we deserve. This is something we can build together. It's called TacomaPlanet.com, and some of you have already found it. But what makes this different is everything. First off, it actually looks modern, clean, fast, easy to use. Not cluttered, not confusing. Not stuck in 2004 like most forums. You can actually find what applies to your truck. It supports all Tacoma generations, 1st gen, 2nd gen, 3rd gen, 4th gen, and going forward. And it supports future generations of the Toyota Tacoma. Everything in one place. And this is big. You can install it as an app on your phone, desktop, tablet. Just scroll to the bottom and click Install App. So now it's not just a forum. It's something you actually use daily. This isn't just about posts, it's about building a real Tacoma community where people actually help each other, share builds, real experiences, not just opinions. You can document your build from stock to fully built and have it all in one place. This platform is built to evolve. New features, better tools. This isn't something that's going to feel outdated in a year. In the marketplace, this is big. We're building something that's cleaner, safer, and easier to use because we can make this exactly what we want it to be. Well, go check it out, TacomaPlanet.com. Join up, install the app, and be part of building something better. This is just the beginning. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.